I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send dollars using PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account. Once logged in, locate and click on the Send and Request tab. From there, you will select the option to send money to friends or family. This ensures a smooth and often fee-free transaction for personal payments. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next, you will need to input the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Double-check this information to ensure it is absolutely correct. An incorrect detail could send your money to the wrong person, which can be difficult to reverse. Take a moment to verify the recipient's identity before moving forward with the payment. Accuracy is key here. Now, enter the specific dollar amount you wish to send. After that, choose your preferred funding source. Options typically include your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit card. Be aware that using a credit card for personal payments might incur a small fee, usually around 2.9% plus 30 cents. Select the best option for you. Finally, you will reach the review screen. This is your last chance to check all the details: the recipient, the amount, and the funding source. Once you are certain everything is correct, click the Send Money Now button to complete the transfer. The recipient will instantly receive an email notification that funds have been sent. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.